Iraqi youth for the United
You can find it for free online.
Trying to provide
Jordanian children.
Of the children refugee.
Difficult to do? Did you find it difficult? Learn something, gain some confidence?
It was a good experience.
Thank you so much, delegate. Thank you.
It is something like, you know, but
The best of our abilities to provide the basic education, trying to adhere to every generation. Maybe we won't be able to provide 6 stages for primary school, but at least we can try to minimize them maybe to 3 and try as much as we can to give the basic knowledge.
Worcestershire says a quote, "No one puts their children in a boat unless the water is safer than the land." So in 2022, the UN High Commissioner of Refugees announced that we have almost 100 million people globally as a displacement people. But 33 million of these are official refugees. 2/3 of them, of course, are children.
Play again. We only have a few seconds left.
According to the United Nations Charter, Article 25, Section 2, the individual have the right for health care. So it's not a gift for the hosting country to give a health care. Actually, it's a right for individuals.
What are the steps that your country make?
We are doing something called draft resolution. This is the final stage of conference, and find solutions but in diplomatic way. And we are working like a teamwork, and this is the best part in the whole conference.
Finally, the best delegate, so the one who really filled all our criteria. Okay, this delegate got 5 out of 5 to almost all our criteria all day, every day, and we're really happy to what they brought to the committee. And this is the delegate of Russia.
So I think the best delegate is not me. The best delegate is you. You did great job. Yeah, you are the best delegates. I wouldn't do this alone. You all deserve it.
Iraqi youth for the United Good afternoon, everyone. It's a great pleasure to have you all here in one place. This conference that I call, it's the international conference, and it was a great pleasure for me to be able to hold this conference while having embassies, French ambassador, the consulate French embassy, Canadian ambassador, and UNHCRs, and some officials from Mosul, representative of the governor of the Mosul city, and have some officials and some honorable guests from Mosul.
سعادة السفير الفرنسي، سعادة السفير الكندي، الأخوة الأعزاء، السيدات والسادة ممثلي البعثات الأممية، الأخوة والأخوات الحضور جميعا، السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته. نرحب بكم في أرض نينوى الحضارة، نينوى المجد، نينوى المعروفة عبر التاريخ بحضارتها العريقة من أيام آشور وإلى اليوم.
مساء الخير، أنا سعيد جدا أكون معكم. Je suis très heureux d'être avec vous aujourd'hui. I'm very pleased to be with you today. Monsieur le représentant du gouverneur, Mesdames et Messieurs les représentants des Nations Unies, des agences des Nations Unies, des organisations des Nations Unies, IYMUN, cher IYMUN, vraiment, je tiens à souligner à quel point nous apprécions cet événement aujourd'hui. Je suis frappé de voir des jeunes Irakiennes et des jeunes Irakiens qui viennent de l'ensemble du pays, et Issam me le disait un instant, s'impliquer et se passionner pour les relations internationales, pour la diplomatie et pour les Nations Unies.
It's an absolute honor and a privilege to address this gathering of young people, university students, some of who are probably attending their first Model United Nations. As young minds and future leaders, you hold the power to shape the world for the better. I commend all of you for your interest and commitment to international relations, diplomacy, and global cooperation.
Excellencies, dear youth participants, dear colleagues, I'm pleased to be joining you here today at the Iraqi Youth United Nations Conference as you gather with delegates to simulate and deliberate on the key topic issues such as human rights and how you can help in developing solutions to protect the rights of refugees, particularly children.
We have nothing to do with special political policies, and we do not work with it, but could take it into consideration and understanding, despite our understanding as well and adoption of them as a matter of knowledge.